Are you looking for an easy way to cancel your Amazon Music subscription? You are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to quickly and safely cancel your Amazon Music subscription. Get all the necessary information to stop paying for Amazon Music you don't want anymore. Watch now. Hi everyone, I am Srini. Welcome to a tutorial video about how to cancel your Amazon Music subscription. If you find yourself no longer needing it or wanting to switch to a different music stream option, I'm going to walk you through the process in just a few simple steps on how to cancel Amazon Music subscription. Let's get started. So step 1 is you visit amazon.com and sign into your account. Step 2, you hover over accounts and list and select memberships and subscription under your account. Step 3, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find your Amazon Prime subscription or Amazon Music subscription. Step 4, next to the Amazon Prime, click on the button Prime Membership Settings. Step 5, hover on the Manage Membership and in the drop down, click on End Membership button. Step 6, click on Confirm Cancellation and follow the prompts. That's it, you have successfully cancelled your Amazon Music subscription. Remember, you still have access to your subscription until the end of the billing period, so make sure to enjoy it until then. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. See you next time.